Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in my last video I did show you guys how to set up the Bose invisible surround speakers, which is this. So let's go in. What we're gonna do now is that they're pretty much set up. The things over there, the speakers are set up, they're wireless, so they've got their dedicated power supply. Now there is a thing called Bose adaptic sound calibration, which is the audio calibration device. So that sort of jack, which is almost like 3.5mm jack, which is gonna go at the back of my soundbar, which is the Bose 700. That thing probably goes onto my head. I'm gonna have 5 different locations where I'm gonna sit. That's gonna be controlled by my phone. Yeah, so pretty much it. Let's go and check it out. Alright guys, so now we are over here. So as I had told you before, we have already connected our speakers, the surround speakers. Power's on in them. What I'm gonna show you here is have the Bose app in here, which you can open. In the Bose app, we would need to go into settings. In the settings, there needs to be accessory speakers, and that's the place where we would find our the Bose module 700, because my bar 700 as well, and then the satellite surround speakers. So I can show you. I've already added them, but if you need to add it first, you can just say add accessory speakers, and then you would be able to see, as you can see, bass is there, then 2 of the surround speakers. Now the thing which I wanted to show you is that we would need to do audio calibration with the Adaptec audio, and then into audio. So basically you go into settings, then into audio, and then we go into Adaptec. And then, because reason being, I've already done Adaptec once for my bar and my module, bass module. It's just that I'll have to do it again because the settings have changed a bit, and then on top of that we have definitely added the speakers, the satellite speakers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place that. This is the Adaptec thing which goes on your head, and that's gonna possibly take the signal. So I'm gonna run it again, and then I'm gonna, it's gonna tune in again. So I'm gonna get it started. We already plugged it, it'll ask you to plug it in. I've already done that. So I'm seated at my place 1. So I'm ready, I'm running it. Alright, so just like that, as you experienced, that's gonna be one of the things. I'm gonna cut short the video, but like this, you'll have to sit on 4 more places, so 5 altogether, and then you'll have to recalibrate everything. Adaptec has been run, that's been set up. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to test up a 4K movie, which is Transformers or something like that, which has got good audio and visual. So let's probably try this first, and let's see what's the result. So what you guys just heard was the TV speakers before, and now just in between I've turned the bar. So that is sort of the clarity of the sound. Alright, so now... Oh, that's impressive.
It started as a legend. One of the greatest of all. Years we've kept it hidden to protect Earth from what was destined to arrive.
Optimus Prime, you destroyed your home. Do you seek redemption?
My maker, my
jewel. Your daughter, what would you say to her?
Well, the reason I've interrupted it, it's just that just wanted to let you know guys midway that sound is really impressive. I don't know how it's sounding in the video as of now, but I hope it's good because I'm using Rode Video Micro, so probably the sound should be good, but the only thing is I can really feel the difference in between the adding the surround speakers into it and the sound. So I'm gonna play a little bit of that, and then if you guys hooking on to this one or putting these speakers up, definitely do it. It's well worth. I've just seen like first few things, but it's definitely a recommended option. Let's see, I'm gonna play it again then.
These are troubled times. Without leaders, chaos reigns. Two worlds colliding. You're all that stand in its way. And now the greatest mission of them all, to turn the tide of human history. Destruction of everything we know and love begins.
I'm not leaving you. When all seems lost, a few brave souls can save everything we've ever known.
The operation is over.
Alright guys, that was it from me. That was the Bose 300 invisible speakers, the surround speakers. I've added them. My previous video was to put them up without the need of WB50, which is the bracket, Bose brackets, and now I've already got them up at the back, so they look pretty good to me. Yeah, I'm happy with it. The sound is the best part about it. Like the video, share the video, and probably if you guys like to subscribe to my channel, please do it. It's No Rule 79 Captures, and definitely would be waiting for your comments as well. Like how did you go, or like what sort of difference you guys found out.